23rd Song of David. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Why? He maketh me lie down in green pastures. Why? He leadeth me beside the still waters. Why? He restoreth my soul. How? He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Declare victories. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. God is with me, his rod and his staff, they comfort me. Defeat enemies with the Spirit. With the Spirit celebrate victories. God prepares a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Why, how? He anointeth my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Certainty, goodness, victories with God. Surely, goodness and mercy will follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. All glory, God Father.